Here is our stepper. It consists of two buttons labeled with minus and plus signs. These buttons can be manipulated by the user to incrementally select a double value from a range of values. Good day everyone. I'm Michael, and I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. In this video lesson, you will learn the following. 1. Create a Xamarin Forms Stepper. 2. Bind the properties of the stepper. Now let's open the Visual Studio and do some coding. What I'm going to do is to rotate a label and change its text property based on the value of the stepper element. Stepper defines four properties of type double. And these are maximum, minimum, increment, and value. Here I set its maximum value to 360 and an increment of 10 for every tap. By default, the minimum is 0. I also add an event handler called value changed. This will trigger every time the stepper's value changes. Then, I also added a label, which we are going to manipulate based on the stepper's value. Let's go to code behind implement the event. Here I created a variable named stepper value where I assigned the new value of the stepper. Then set the text property and rotation property of the label to the stepper value. Let's run the app. Now if we reach the maximum value, the plus button is automatically disabled to notify the user that they reached the maximum value of the stepper. Like slider and switch, the stepper properties are also backed by bindable property objects. So instead of adding an event handler, let's bind its property to the label. Let's run the app again. Here we gain the same output using data binding, which is a much cleaner and more maintainable code. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.